welcome back to our channel iAnalytical with your host Crystal. Today we're getting our hands on with the ERAFLASH LT. We got some samples from some customers running essential oils, and today we're going to run some results to show you how easy it is to safely handle, store, and transport volatile compounds with the ERAFLASH. The ERAFLASH offers a temperature range from -4 degrees Celsius all the way to 420 degrees Celsius. It's an ultra safe, closed cup design, and it just handles 1 milliliter of sample for high speed, accurate data. Step 1, enter your sample ID and operator name. Easy, right? Just a quick check-in before you start. Step 2, select your measurement standard and extra parameters. Want to add expected flash point? No problem. Customization is key. Step 3, fill the sample cup with your liquid, place it into the chamber, and close the door. It's like putting your sample into its own little testing home. Step 4, hit the run button and let the ERAFLASH low temperature work its magic. Watch the screen as the sample and oven temperature pops up, plus the pressure gauge showing the pressure after the ignition. The test takes approximately 6 minutes. Once the test is completed, you'll see how fast it will cool your sample cup down. Taking less than a minute, or it allows you to take it out of the instrument. And here are the results for the flash point and corrected flash point according to sea level. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like this video and comment below. Thanks.